What's going on, guys? It's Alex with Wise Tech Engineering. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the battery in your Mercedes-Benz key. This should be compatible with models ranging from 2007 to 2015. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the mechanical key. In order to do that, you're going to pull back on this lever right here and pull the key out. Now the next step you're going to want to do is get the back plate off. In order to do that, again, you're going to need the mechanical key. You're going to slide it in from the left side and you should hear it pop up. Just like that. This back plate has a little tab right here, and that's where the key makes contact. That's what's going to allow it to pop up. You want to grab a small flathead screwdriver or the key itself, come in from the side, and the battery should pop out just like that. Now you're going to grab the new battery. In this case, we're going to be using a CR2025. That's CR2025. Pop it into place. Grab your back plate again. Put that back where it goes. Mechanical key. Back in its slot. And you're good to go. And that's how you replace the battery in your Mercedes-Benz key.